Hi friends, today we solve exercise 2.1. So what is the question? That is, find the number of zeros of the polynomial from this graph. Okay, so first of all we recall one theory, that is number of zeros is equals to number of intersection point of the graph with the x-axis. Okay, number of zeros is equals to intersection point of graph with the x-axis, that we already discussed in our previous video, right? So first question, in that this graph does not intersect with the x-axis, right? So number of zeros is equals to 0, because there is not any single point which is intersect with the x-axis. That's why number of zeros is equals to 0. Second question, in second question we found one intersection point of graph with the x-axis. That's why number of zeros is equals to 1. In question number 3, total 3 intersection point of graph with the x-axis. That's why our answer is 3. Question number 4, there is 2 intersection point of graph with the x-axis. That's why number of zeros is equals to 2. Then question number 5. Here number of intersection point are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only intersection point with the x-axis only, not with the y-axis. Okay, so total intersection point with the x-axis is 4. So our answer is 4. Number of zeros is equals to 4. Then sixth question. Here 1, 2 and 3. So total 3 intersection point. That's why number of zeros is equals to 3. One more thing. Here you can see it's this graph only touch with the x-axis, right? Not pass through the x-axis. But then even it will considered as a zeros, because at that point if we write the coordinate of this point, then obviously our y coordinate is 0. X coordinate is as per the question, but y coordinate is always 0. That means p of x is equals to 0. So this is the zeros of polynomial. So total number of zeros is equals to 3. One more thing, if graph only touch with the x-axis, it means that there is a more than one number of zeros. More than one number of zeros are present, but that value of all the zeros are same. For example, if we found two zeros, x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 1. In this condition, graph behaves like this. It's only touch with the x-axis and go back. But at this point, value of all the zeros of polynomial are same. So we will consider only one number of zeros. Okay. These things we discuss in chapter number 4 even, while I explain discriminant D. Okay. So for the number of zeros, we only need to pay attention on intersection point of graph with the x-axis, that is 3. So our answer is 3.